Well, hello everyone. Today, I am going to be making a hermetically sealed aquatic ecosystem, most commonly referred to as an ecosphere. But this one is going to have a bit of a twist. So, this area is in the winter and spring, vernal pools form around this forest. Right now, it is really dark. I'm gonna need a flashlight. How convenient. It just appears right there like magic. Can you hold it? Sure. Thank you. In the winter, this whole area is flooded with water and is filled with tons of organisms, aquatic organisms like copepods and ostracods and all manner of fun stuff. And they lay eggs in the dirt here, and when it rains again, when it's flooded by rains again, when it's flooded, the eggs hatch. I'll put it. It's fine. And see what happens. I don't want to pack it down too much, but it's a little loose. That looks pretty good, I would say. Yeah. So, see you when I get planted. Hello everyone, here we are collecting some rainwater from a gutter on my house. We are going to fill the ecosphere now, so this is pretty much exactly replicating the vernal pool ecosystem. With rainwater. And we're just gonna let that soak in. Even though we have been having unseasonably heavy rains, the soil is still rather dry for this time of year. So we're just gonna fill her up. And I bought a plant. The vernal pools don't usually have plants, but I decided a plant would be a good idea because there might be not enough oxygen and plants just look pretty, okay? So we're gonna plant a plant in just a moment. So everyone, here we are with the finished ecosystem sealed off. The plant unfortunately floated to the top, so not much I can do about that. I could replant it, but honestly, I think I'm just gonna leave it. This ecosystem, vernal pools in general, are chock full of dead and decaying organisms. They're really full of detritus, so it's fine if that plant dies. One thing I am interested in seeing is the succession that is going to rapidly take place. I saw an earthworm in here before. Because we're essentially transitioning from a terrestrial to an aquatic ecosystem, right now We might have beetles. I think that's a woodlouse. And those species, as they do in heavy rains in the winter, are going to die off as aquatic species are reborn. So I'm interested to witness that process here. If you think that this is mean or upsetting, it's important to remember that this happens in nature. These vernal pools are natural ecosystems that form in the rainy seasons. Yeah. So I'll get back to you with an update as soon as there's something more interesting than muddy water and sediment.